30th commemoration of the genocide against the Tutsi. Rwandan people, we must remember and learn from the history of our country so that as children we grow up and we know the consequences and the bad of that history. Let me say it for my friends who don't know the history. It's the bad government that existed in Rwanda. It was characterized by the discrimination against Rwandans. That discrimination led to the genocide against Tutsi in 1994, without even sparing children. All were killed because of their identity. You children, youth, come and learn the history of our country so that we grow up and know that it's tabooed, so that discrimination may no longer happen again because you are the Rwanda of tomorrow. Thank you. Live in peace, in unity, reconciliation and development. Let us teach good to the next generation. Let us be the example of the unity we want, imitating our today's good leadership that has put an end on the genocide against the Tutsi. Let's build Rwanda in unity and development. Kwibuka, twiyubaka.